Today we learn about function of DC chopper. The function of DC chopper is to convert fixed DC voltage into variable DC voltage similar to the transformer. So now we see the how to simulation of DC chopper is done. This is input supply, one semiconductor switch, load resistance RL, inductance L, this is flywheel diode across load. Join all the components. This one is RL, place 2 voltmeter, one across the supply and one across the load. This one is V output voltage and this one is V input voltage. Let value of inductance is 0.5 millihenry. So for millihenry, small m is used. This is flywheel diode placed across the load. Now for the gate pulse, place this one. Okay. Let frequency is 50 Hz. For simulation control, place here this one and it is taken as 0.08 second. Now simulation. So this one is input voltage and this one is output voltage. So input voltage is not exactly 100 but it is 99.999. So round this one. Okay, once again simulation. So input voltage is 100 and output voltage is uh, this is 100, again 0, 100, 0, 100, 0, 100, 0. So average value of output voltage is, so this one is average in the analysis. Average, look at this one. Input voltage is 1.000 e plus 002, means 1 into 10 raised to 2. Input voltage is 100, this one is here, so and output voltage is 5.00015 plus e plus 001, means 10 raised to 1 E plus 001 means 10 raised to 1, means output voltage is 50, input voltage 100 and output voltage 50. Now in order to achieve variable voltage, we have to change firing angle alpha of this device. So this one is MOSFET. So firing angle is changed by this one. So switching point given is 0 and 180. If we place it 360, then this device continuous conduction for complete cycle, means output voltage is equal to input voltage. So this is input voltage and output voltage when firing angle is made at 360 degree, means switching device continuous conduction. Let us try to understand it. Output voltage of the device, output voltage of the DC chopper is equal to alpha time VDC, where alpha is duty cycle. Duty cycle is equal to T on, means switching on time of device, and T is equal to total time, means chopper on time plus off time. So output voltage depend upon value of duty cycle. So duty cycle is changed by firing angle alpha. When we made firing angle alpha is equal to 360, this is 0 and 360. So output voltage is equal to input voltage. So duty cycle is equal to 360 divided by 360 is equal to 1. Output voltage is equal to input voltage. When firing angle is made 270. So in the case of 270, duty cycle is equal to, this is on period T on, and this one is total time T. Duty cycle is equal to 0.75. 270 divided by 360 is equal to 0.75. Output voltage is equal to 0.75 VDC, means if input voltage is 100 volt, input voltage is 100 volt, output voltage is equal to 100 into 0.75 means 75 voltage. So 0 and 270. 270 is firing angle. So now let us see the waveform. So this is waveform. This is on cycle and this one is off. So average voltage. hmm, Now look at this one. 7.499996 for E plus 001 means 7.49 into 10 raised to 1 means 74.99. It is approximately is equal to 75 voltage. The output voltage is sum of the average of this on and off cycle, this on and off. Now again, if we change, this one is equal to 180. So in this case duty cycle is equal to, now when firing angle alpha is equal to 180, duty cycle is equal to 180. This is T on time and 360 is total time. 180 divided by 360 is equal to 0.5. Output voltage is equal to 0.5 VDC. Here the input voltage is equal to 100. So output voltage is equal to 0.5 into 100 means 50 voltage. So we have to change here 180. Now see the waveform. Look at this one. Both cycle are same. This positive and negative. So measurement of this voltage average, look at this one. This is 5.000 e raised to e plus 001 means 10 raised to 1 means 50 voltage. Now again this is placed at 90, firing angle 90. So in the case of 90, firing angle alpha is 90, duty cycle is equal to 90 divided by 360 is equal to 0.25. Output voltage is equal to 25 percentage of input voltage. So here input voltage is 100, so we will get output voltage is equal to 25 voltage. Now let us see that again simulation. So this one is on, this one is off, on, off. Now measure average voltage. Look at this one. This is 25 voltage. This is 25 volt. So by changing duty cycle, variable DC voltage we can obtain. We can obtain. So duty cycle can be changed by changing firing angle of semiconductor devices. This one is MOSFET. We also place here IGBT. So in the case of DC chopper, duty cycle play important role for changing output voltage. Let us, this one is 10 voltage. This one is 10 angle, that is firing angle. So output voltage is equal to 10 divided by 360. Uh, Copy, and this one is place. This one is 10. So 10 divided by 360. This one we have to calculate, that is 1 divided by 360. This one is, let us we measure it. Okay, now average voltage. So this is 2.775. 2.775 means here we will get 0.0275. Now let us check it. So it will be not open. We will see in the Excel. Okay, this one is open. Is equal to 1 divided by 36. 1 divided by 36. This one is date, so we have to change it. Format. And this one is number 0.003. So again format cell, place for 5 place 0.027778. We will see also in the calci 1 divided by 36 is equal to 0.02777. So this is 0.02777. So in this way, firing angle of alpha can be changed. Thank you.